back to what I was saying when I thought this was filming. So, 2 sets of solar panels have now dumped their snow load. Clearly these didn't get as much as that one over there did. But yeah. That's the solar panel that hasn't slid off yet, because it's not at the same incline as the ones above. I watched it through this window. Oh, why am I still on? Thank you. I watched it through this window as I was trying to get my plants in dirt, and I just missed it again because I had to take the phone out of the pocket because it was messing with me bending over. So the final 2 on this side came to, you don't get in my flowers. Come on, that's dangerous out there. You don't want to go out there. I know, my love, you have been such a good girl. I am so thankful to you. She let me do all of this. So this goes out to the property. The paint's not until I know it's not going to freeze again. Still have this elephant, that elephant. But look. That's because it's over there now. Okay, no, not all of it, just some of it. Power food. So that's my spring gear, because as you can see, and I have horses again this weekend, so who knows what's going to happen. And then most of this I just need to find boxes for, and then put batteries or screws or whatever I need to do. And that goes in my desk. Yeah, this is all office. Everything in the orange totes is my office stuff. And since every time company comes, my office has to disappear, I'm keeping it in the totes in as much as possible. And that will be the first elephant I tackle tomorrow. Is this it? Yeah, this corner. We got all that cleared off. We're all good. Closet straightened out. The garden is growing. One way or another, I'm having wildflowers out on the Jefferson property. And it is almost 7:30, so I'm calling this day done. And I'm going to get myself a salad of some sort. And there went everything that I've inhaled while I've stirred up everything up here. I just hope Arnie's finished with the hammering and the flooring. At least for right now. Just a little break until tomorrow.